Rats, let's talk about rats. Last week, the Times columnist ran a headline, North Park rat problem linked to building demolition. The rats just didn't vanish. They packed their tiny bags and started house hunting. Victoria was ranked the #2 city in Canada for rat problems. I mean, we finally beat Vancouver at something, right? Victoria is the perfect storm for rats. Warm winters, busy construction sites and old buildings coming down. Plus we got lots of water, all creating the kind of chaos that sends rats house hunting. When rats lose their home in a building that gets torn down, they look for a new home, often close by. That could mean your shed, crawl space, attic, or garage. Basically, if you're warm, dry, and rent-free, you're on their radar. To them, your crawl space is like a 5-star hotel with room service and no checkout time. You know, rats aren't just gross, they actually hurt your home and your wallet for that matter. Here's how. They chew electrical wires. That's a fire risk. One article even reported rats chewing through soy-based car wiring, driving up local insurance claims, which is great because car repairs and rising premiums go together so very well. Rats can tear up house insulation to make nests in and leave behind a real mess. You know, if you're selling, they can leave signs that home inspectors will certainly spot. Guess what? Buyers will not be impressed. And nothing says welcome to your new home like a big pile of mystery droppings. If you're planning to sell your house in the next year or two, rats could be a problem. Don't make your home tougher to sell. Get in front of these issues and be rodent-free. I'm not going to show you how to trap rats. Peanut butter does work better than cheese. That's not a joke. I speak from experience. But here's what to watch out for. If there's construction or demolition nearby, that might bring rats to your area. Do you hear scratching in the walls or in your attic at night? It's either rats or you've got ghosts. Either way, bad for resale. Have you found droppings in your shed, garage, or underneath the house? Did your inspection report mention rodents? Even a little bit. Don't ignore these signs. If you're in a neighborhood with new builds or teardowns, you're more likely to see rats. It's also common in homes over 30 years old, especially those with crawl spaces, sheds, or big trees close to the house. And if there's a creek nearby, even more reason to stay alert. Rats love being near the water. Sellers are most at risk, but you know what? Buyers need to be aware of this as well. Hey, I need your help. Do me a solid. Hit the subscribe button and help grow my channel. Really appreciate it. Thanks so much in advance. So here's what smart homeowners are doing in Victoria to de-ratify. Sealing up gaps on the outside of the home. Anything bigger than a pencil, that's about 6 millimeters in diameter, is big enough for a rat to crawl through. That's all it takes. A gap the size of a pencil, and they're in like it's their own place. Look for cracks around pipes, vents, crawl space doors, and roof lines. Use steel wool, copper mesh, or metal flashing to seal up these gaps. Don't use foam or wood because rats can chew right through it like butter. Lock down your garbage and compost bins. Trim trees and bushes away from the house. These are like highways for rats. Make sure to set traps before the problem grows. If you're already seeing lots of droppings and the traps aren't working, guess what? It's time to call in the pros. I like PSI, Pest Scene Investigation. I've been working with Mike and his crews for about 15 years. Highly recommend it. And by the way, this is not a paid endorsement. If selling is on your radar, stuff like this really matters. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of thing that protects your time and your price. And if you've had rats show up in your area, I'd love to hear how you handled it. Hopefully with fewer stories than your neighbor Bob, who's now claiming he's 3-0 in the Crawl Space League. Leave a comment below. Love to hear from you. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.